Captain Maya Chen stood on the bridge of the Starship Horizon, looking at the dark screen in front of her. For 3 weeks, the ship had been traveling through empty space, and now something was wrong. All communication with Earth had stopped 2 hours ago. Check the radio systems again, Maya told her engineer, David. David moved quickly across the bridge, his face worried and serious. He sat down at the communication station and began checking cables and connections. Captain, this is strange, David said after a few minutes. Everything looks normal, but the signal just disappeared. Maya frowned and walked closer to the window. She could see millions of stars in the darkness, but nothing that looked dangerous. Could it be a solar storm? She asked David. David shook his head. No, the weather sensors show nothing unusual. Suddenly, the lights on the bridge went red.